Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is D, and I represent New Touch Auto. This video, we're going to get into how to insert spacers on your vehicle. If you're interested in knowing how to do so, stay tuned. Before we get into this video, we'll talk about the difference between spacers and adapters. Even though they have the same effect, they have a different purpose. In most cases, whenever you want to install adapters, the purpose is to mount a wheel on your vehicle that's not compatible to your normal wheel lug pattern. With spacers, all you want to do is just pretty much widen out the back end or the front end. Let's get into the instructions and learn more. So here we have our instructions. You'll notice that your kit will come with an extra set of wheel bolts. The difference is the current ones that you have on your vehicle are shorter than the ones that you'll receive with the kit. And the reason behind that is because they have to go through the spacer. Now, as we go inside this instruction manual, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It shows you everything you need to do before applying the spacer to your rim. As you notice, the numbers are sequenced in steps from 1 through 5. With these instructions, you can't go wrong with installing these spacers. Now, whether you have a 4, 5, 6, or 8 lug pattern, these instructions will actually teach you how to install your rims in the future. Now, the spacer we'll be using are from KSP Performance. We have a set of 2. You have the option to order a set of 4, but since we're only doing the rear end of the vehicle, we only need 2. Now, these are a size 20 millimeters. Currently on the vehicle, they are a size 15 millimeters, and the customer wants that removed. They want to go more forged on the rear end so it can make it look wider. So we're at the rear of the vehicle. We have the set of 15 millimeters on there currently, and we got to remove those. We're going to replace them with our new set of 20 mil. Now on both sets, they're very identical, so you can find the sizes in the same area. Now that extra 5 millimeters, it's a big difference. You see the comparison. As mentioned, this customer wants a more forged look. So now our next step is to remove the old set and prepare to install the new set. So the next step will be to remove the old set that's currently on here now. You'll notice that there are grooves in the wheel pattern. You got to find those grooves and actually pry everything out. I find it best to go in a clockwise position and just simply take your time and be able to pry things out with a flathead screwdriver slowly. Try not to force it. So now we're ready to start with our fresh set. Now before you install them, you want to find the lug pattern holes. Make sure that they're properly aligned before you start hammering things down. So what I did was I took something soft to where I wouldn't defect the spacers. And I worked my way around and I hammered everything down, taking my time, inspecting, and making sure everything is on properly. Make sure that it's flush. And once you see that, you want to go back to your holes and make sure everything is lined up in the same hub pattern. A failure to align the spacer holes properly will only result in you not being able to place your wheels back onto your vehicle. So we reached the end of the video. We now have that nice forged look that this customer was going for. There is a difference. I'll be showing the before and afters at the end of the video, but for those who have subscribed, I really appreciate it and I thank you. For those who haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all for checking out this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.